So guys, what we have here is Euro GBP and GBP. So we would want to take a look at what the price will be moving for today, guys. So before we get started, if you've not subscribed, please just click on the subscribe button, like, share, and also comment or watch out for it. Now we can take a look at this GBP to understand this price movement itself. I want us to actually start from the higher time frame, which is the monthly time frame. Now take a look at this monthly time frame. You can see this movement from here. This was around early 2020, right? We've been going up. You can clearly see this movement, which is actually a bullish move that has been made. Take a look at this huge impulse move that was made. Then we had a correction on JPY. Then another impulse move was made, which broke the previous highs. Then we had a correction here, and then another impulse move has been made, which broke above this previous highs. Then a correction was being made here, right, on the monthly time frame. Of course, we are expecting another impulse move again. This impulse move, right, has actually broken this previous highs. You can see it, right? So that is still an indication that we are on an uptrend move. But one way or the other, I think the price kind of corrects here. I think it is more visible on the daily time frame or weekly time frame, or more visible on the daily time frame. So basically, we are still aiming to push up, by the way. So monthly time frame, we are still on an uptrend move. Now, for those of you who trade moving average, we would be using the 10 period moving average. So of course, we can see what the price is showing us. The price is above 10 period moving average. So we all know the rules of trading moving average. Once the price is above 10 period moving average, we have to go long. But if it is below it, then we have to short it. So what we clearly can see is that our price is above 10 period moving average, meaning we have to go long. So I mean, since price is above 10 period moving average, then it is definitely above our 20 and even 50, I believe so. It is above it, although, so we have to go long. Monthly time frame says we have to go bullish. Now let's roll down to the weekly time frame. Yes, take a look at what this weekly time frame says. Now we can zoom it out. We clearly can see what this weekly time frame is showing us. Still an impulse move, right? We'll be going bullish, by the way. Now take a look at this movement here, this recent movement, guys. We've actually gone bullish. This was the week for last week here. This was the price for last week here, right? This we actually made about 300 pips about the week that just passed, by the way. So we've actually we made about 300 pips bullish move on Euro JPY. So the price went up. Now we are seeing that this price for this week has started bullish again. We are seeing it go to one level. Where is the level we are seeing here? Of course, this same level here. Reason is that, take a look at this week weekly time frame. We saw that this price came to this level here, then it's rejected. Reason why we had this candlestick week. The price also came to this area here, then rejected it. Reason why we had this candlestick week. Then another price came to this level again, right? Price also came to this level, so it has reacted to this level 3 times here. We even saw it 1, 2, even 3 times here. So of course this price is actually coming to this level here, and this is the level we are aiming for. So definitely, if this price will be going bullish, then we are expecting a bullish move. Now that will take us to the daily time frame to be able to predict this price for today. So to be able to predict this price, you would actually want to zoom it out, right? So we can now say let's alight some key level. That is, if you want, we can take here. You see price reacted at this level, right? We saw price came here again and react at this level, then again it came at this level. Then we can take it as a false breakout. Of course, price also came here again for the last time and reacted. Reason why we had this huge candlestick. Of course, we cannot take it as our resistance and support level, right? We can take this below as our support, and this highs will be our resistance level. So anytime this price comes to this our resistance level, we tend to see it drop down to this support, then back again to our resistance level, again to our support. Again, it was close to our resistance level, but it broke below it. The price actually corrected itself. We can take this breakout as a false breakout. You can see it as a false breakout, and all of a sudden it pushed out to our resistance level and it dropped to our support level. Where are we seeing this price moving next to? It is our resistance level. So this Euro GBP, we've opened bullish, and I still believe we'll actually close bullish, because we still have about close to 200 pips to be made on Euro GBP. So this Euro GBP at least will be giving us about 200 pips. So that is why on the third and fourth, we're very much likely to see that bullish move, whereby within today, which is Monday, and the next day Tuesday. So I still believe we would actually get that bullish move. Now that is why I said we will go bullish. Secondly, is that this price is below above 10 period moving average. We all know the rules of trading 10 period moving average. Since it is above it, then we have to go long. Now let me show you why we would be going long again. Is that we would be looking at JPY index. So this JPY index represents all our JPY pairs. So if you take a look at this JPY index, you see the full trend. We are on a bearish move, right? So this price has been dropping on JPY index. Then all of a sudden, this price started correcting. We saw, let's take out this level at first. We saw this price drop to this level, then came up to this ice here, dropped to this level, came up to this ice. So it dropped to this level. So basically, we highlighted this. We are going to be taking this top level as our resistance level, and why we would be taking this down below level as our support level, right? So we are now ranging, right? So all of a sudden, this price actually dropped down, came to our support level. It even broke below it, right? So we all know that once price break below support level, there's only one movement that will be made, which is to come test the same level. Which, if you're following this channel consistently, you would have seen how we predicted this move. And guess what? Not only does price come to this level, it actually broke above it and came to this our resistance level. So technically, we can take this as a false breakout if you want. You can take it as a false breakout, which means we are going to eliminate this movement. For now, we don't know if price will react there, but for now, we've eliminated it. Now that this price has come to this our resistance level, of course, we are seeing it to come to our support level now. So basically, price dropped to this level. On that Friday, we had a pullback. Now that this price has opened, we are seeing a bearish move. So you would want to see this price drop again to this support level. So from here to this support level, we still have about 100 pips. So basically now, guys, once we are having this drop on our JPY index, as we are aiming for JPY index, we are expected to drop, then our euro to JPY will actually give us that bullish move, meaning we should be able to grab at least 150 pips. Maybe if you can grab up 100 pips if you want before you opt out of this trade, then fine, it is no problem. Though it depends on when you watch it and how early you watch it. So guys, watch out. We would want to take this ice within 2 days. We should be able to take it within today and tomorrow. So euro JPY, we are still on a bullish move upward to our resistance level.